What's up guys, welcome back to Code Wizard, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to install Homebrew on Mac OS. Now Homebrew is a really helpful tool when it comes to development. It's basically a package manager for Mac OS and allows you to install a wide range of software packages. So you can install programming languages, development tools, and many different libraries. So you can think of things like Git, Subversion, Python, Ruby, MySQL, Postgres. All of these different things can be installed with Homebrew. So I'm running on a Mac with an M1 processor, and we're simply going to install Homebrew in the terminal, and then I'll kind of just show you how to install a specific package with Homebrew itself. So the first thing you want to do is go to brew.sh. So you can see it up here, brew.sh. Okay, now this is the home page here, and right on the home page you can see in bold text, Install Homebrew. And it gives you an option to copy this command here. And this is the command that you're going to copy and paste into your terminal. So go ahead and copy that command, and you want to open up your terminal. And if you don't know how to open up your terminal, you can just type in command space, and then it will open up the Spotlight search, and then you can search for terminal to open the terminal. So once you have the terminal open, you want to paste that command in the terminal and then press enter, and that will install Homebrew onto your computer. So once the installation is successful, it'll tell you installation successful. Now you have Homebrew installed on your Mac. Now keep in mind, to make sure that you have Homebrew installed successfully, you just want to type in brew, and then it will give you example usage on how to use Homebrew. If for some reason it doesn't give you that, if it tells you like can't find that command brew, then that means we have to manually add the command to our path. Okay, so most of the time you won't have this issue because the script that you copied from the Homebrew website will automatically add it. But if it's some reason, there are cases where it doesn't, so you have to manually add it to your bash profile. So to do that, all you really have to do is type in nano and then bash underscore profile like this. And this nano is simply an editor where you can edit the bash profile. If you want to use V or Vim or whatever your preferred editor is, you can do that as well. But nano, out of the three I mentioned, is probably one of the easiest ones. So we'll do nano bash profile, and then that will open up your bash profile. There probably will be a couple different things in here, but you simply want to paste this export command. It's export path user local bin path, and this will add Homebrew directory to your path. That way we can access Homebrew anywhere on our computer. So then from there, you're just going to do Control O to write the file, and then you can do Control X to close. And then to activate it, you want to just use source bash profile, and this will update the current terminal session with the new path variable. And then from there, if you type in brew, you should see the example usage. So that's it. That's how you install Homebrew. And if you want to use Homebrew, I mean, you can just look at the example usage here. It's literally brew install formula. So the formula is simply the package name of the library or a specific piece of software you want to install, and then Homebrew will do the heavy lifting for you and install that onto your computer. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, like the video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.